Sat out on the wooden steps. The sky turned a heavy shade of gray. I had so much to tell you, but the paper is getting soft now. The pen skips across the page like it is afraid of the weather. Now the ink is running down, falling slow, bleeding into the dark soil. Everything I meant to say is washing away in the rain. I wore your heavy wool coat. The sleeves are still far too long. I wrote about that one summer and how your eyes looked in the sun, but the water finds every word and turns the blue into a mess. Now the ink is running down, falling slow, bleeding into the dark soil. Everything I meant to say is washing away in the rain. Maybe the roots will read it deep down where it is finally quiet. It is better than a cold mailbox where things just sit and wait for hands that won't come. Now the ink is running down, falling slow, bleeding into the dark soil. Everything I meant to say is washing away in the rain. The page is white and empty again, just the smell of wet earth.